What's up? Vaughn Gittin Jr. here, and behind me is a 2019 Ford Mustang RTR that's been hot rodded just a little bit for competition here in Formula Drift. On the exterior of the car, we have a complete RTR design package, RTR Aero 7 wheels. The tires that we run are Nitto NT555 G2s in the rear and Nitto NT05s in the front. Into the cockpit, ASD handbrake, Recaro racing seats, and Schroth harnesses. The control arms and all of the suspension are made by us at the RTR lab, all billet aluminum. One of the keys to these cars being so controllable and so drivable are our BC Racing ZR Series triple adjustable coilovers. Under the hood is a Ford Performance Roush Yates RY45 nitrous injection, Quartermaster triple disc clutch, and for filtration, we rely on Canon filters for our oil as well as air filtration needs. If you want to learn more about this car, head to the Formula Drift Garage on wheelwell.com.